Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to be unboxing the exclusive, let me see if I can get it on there, exclusive Beauty Club ritual bag for June. So this is, this is a monthly subscription, and it's only around $39 after the first box, and you get over $200 worth of product, and they're really pretty good. Just go to Exclusive Beauty Club on Google, and you can find out, or even just type in Exclusive Beauty Club and then it'll take you to the website. So first we have a very beat up box of eltaMD UV blemish prone and oil balancing broad spectrum SPF 50 face sunscreen. So that's really a good one for people who have acne. Like, I could have used this when I was younger. I do get a little bit of acne once in a while. Let's look in the mirror. It's hidden today, but it's a good makeup day. But the box, goodness gracious. So this, I would say, is a full size. And it looks like this. Ooh, that one came out right away. No white cast. Doesn't really have a scent. So that's our first product. And eltaMD is a pretty good brand, and I know that my dermatologist has this in her office, especially, or she has it year round because she thinks you should, or she says you should use skincare or sunscreen every day, even if you don't go outside, or even if it's dark outside. She's getting in the habit of wearing sunscreen. Then we have On the Go Micro Bottle, your daily hydration ritual. So there's the box. It's a great bottle. So it has Exclusive Beauty Club logo on it. See if I can get a good picture. And I don't know. Do not microwave. 304 stainless steel. Vacuum cup. I wonder what it means. So it's a cute little cup. It's a cute little thermos. That's what it is. But that's really cute. Does it unsnap? I was gonna say you could like hang it on your handbag, or oops, gotta close. What the hell did I do now? There we go. Back in the box. So that's nice, and I don't have a price on these. I think this is just like a fun thing to get. Like, sometimes you don't always get skincare or makeup. Sometimes they give you some fun stuff like that. Next we have Biopelle Tensage Intensive Serum 40. It says, let me show you it first. So again, it's a sample, so you know this is expensive. It says Biopelle Signature Intensive Serum features a high level of growth factor benefits to help repair damage and illuminate the skin from within. For at-home intensive treatment and post-procedure care. So let me see, I gotta open it up. Well, they don't make it, oh, you undo it, okay. It's got some information. So, repair, maintain, protect. So it's in a little bottle, and it explains that is a dermatologist recommended treatment of at-home intensive boost to the skin or post-procedure. Helps improve photo damage and the visible signs of aging. Brightens and even skin tone. Sorry, I have terrible eyes and this stuff is so small. I have a hard time figuring it out. So it says visible signs of aging, which is deep wrinkles, irregular pigmentation, lack of luminosity, dryness, and texture. Treatment, if you have those items, this treatment will give you a 46% reduction in deep wrinkles, a 40% reduction in irregular pigmentation. I have found nothing that helps my pigmentation that they actually say they do, and I've not had it yet. 78% reduction in lack of luminosity, and 100% reduction in dryness and rough texture. So they have a before and after, but I don't know. It's got to be pricey. I will look it up though, because I got to know before I take it off. Okay, I don't know how to get that off. Then we have, I'm going to say it's Sente, if you can see that. Dermal Repair Cream. HSA treatment. It says, oh, it doesn't even tell you what it does. Apply morning and night to clean face or as directed by your skincare professional. Oh, this is pretty. So this is like a deluxe sample. Let's try it on the other hand. So that's what it looks like, and it's got that nice, whatever you want to call this. Sometimes it escapes me because I forget. Wow, and this is really thick and gel-like. Doesn't have a scent actually, but it makes my hand really smooth. Very nice. Definitely will use that. A lot of times I use even some extras if I get like skincare for my face. If I have extra, I will use it on my hands and my elbows just to help the dryness. Here we have SkinMedica, which is one of my favorite brands. HA5 squared. Hydra collagen. Replenish, restore, and hydrate. It says for all skin types, and that the writing is just too small. Or you can't read what's on there, and I don't have a magnifying glass. Whoops. I think I've gotten this before from them, and I really, really like it. So here is, yeah, exactly what it says, and I still can't read it. So that's what it looks like. So this would, again, be a deluxe mini. Again, that's from SkinMedica, which is one of my favorite brand. Next we have, now this is definitely a full size. You know, you can't say no to this. So this is PCA Skin Facial Wash for oily or problem skin. It's a gentle cleanser that removes impurities for oily skin. So it says avoid contact. Yeah. Sunburn alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So let's see what this looks like. Wow. So that's a really good size product. And it's really thick. Like, can you see it? I'm going to see if I can get it to show. And we're going to wonder if it's got a little protector on it. Yeah. I'm not going to open it just yet. But it's very thick. If you can see it moving. And then when I turn it up, you can just see it's really thick. This looks really good. I'm going to use this soon, because it looks like a gel wash, and those are so much easier to deal with. Then we have 2 samples of Filorga Laboratories Optim-eyes Contour 3-in-1 Intensive Revitalizing, here we go, Intensive Revitalizing 3-in-1 Eye Contour Cream. So, and when we get little samples like this, they always send us 2. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items for, or 8 for $39. Like, you can't beat that. It's a really good deal. And they also have sales on their website of some of the products that they have in the bag, or other products that you can order. Like I said, SkinMedica is one of my favorites. So is PCA. They're another good one. And they have good sales. So I just ask that you subscribe, which is free. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be able to do more with my videos. And give this a thumbs up, and leave me a message if there's more information you want on the box, but I will put it down in the description. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.